Hello everyone. Hope you all are safe and fine at your home. Welcome back to our maths class. Today we are moving on to a new chapter, chapter number 3, addition. We are moving to our third chapter. So, shall we start? Okay. So, now look here. In my right hand, I have got 4 pens. Right. It is 1, 2, 3 and 4 pens in my right hand, and in my left hand I have got 2 pens, 1 and 2 pens. So in my right hand I have 4 pens and in my left hand I have 2 pens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this 4 pens to my left hand. Okay, so I'm adding the 4 pens which was in my right hand to this 2 pens in my left hand. So now let's check how many pens I have in total in my left hand. In my left hand I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in total I have got 6 pens altogether. Okay, so when I put together the 4 pens to the 2 pens, I've got 6 pens in total. So this process of putting together some objects or the numbers is known as addition. So the process of putting together numbers or any objects is called addition. Okay, so now let's study how to add numbers. Okay. So, you all have studied about addition in your lower classes and you all know how to add numbers, right? So, we have done here, we have taken 4 pens in the right hand and 2 pens in the left hand, and we have put together this 4 pens with these 2 pens, right? So, we added 4 plus 2. Okay, the symbol of addition is plus. So we added 4 plus 2 and what we got? After adding 4 plus 2 we got 6, right? When we are added 4 pens with 2 pens we got in total 6. And then here we have added 4 and 2 and the numbers which we add is 4 and 2. The numbers we add are called addends. The numbers we add is called addends, A-D-D-E-N-D, addend. And the result that we get or the answer that we get after adding 2 numbers is called the sum. The answer in addition is called the sum. So the numbers we are adding is called the addend and the answer that we get after addition is called the sum. So here 4 and 2 are the numbers which we are adding. So 4 and 2 is the addend here. 4 and 2 is the addends and 6 is the answer that we get after addition and 6 is the sum. Okay. Here we are studying the addition of 4-digit numbers. So here we are given 2 4-digit numbers 3654 and 5134. So we have to add these numbers. So here we are arranged it in our place value chart. It has 4 places, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. And from where we are starting our addition? From the ones place. Always we are starting the addition from the ones place. Okay. So in ones place, which are the digits? It's 4 and 4. So 4 plus 4 makes 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. Next, moving on to a tens place. It is 5 and 3 in tens place. So 5 plus 3 we will get 8. So 5 plus 3 is 8. And then 6 plus 1 in hundreds place we have 6 and 1 and 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. And then in thousands place it's 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 we will get 8. And adding 3 and 5 we will get 8. So we got the final answer as 8788. And we have said that the numbers we add is called the addends. So here which are the addends? 3654 and 5134 are the addends. And the answer we get after addition is called the sum. So here the sum is 8788. Okay. Now let's do one more sum. Here the numbers given are 6231 and 2467. We have to add these numbers, and when adding, starting from the ones place, let's do it. It's 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 means 8. 1 plus 7 is 8. Then in tens place, we have to add 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 means 9. And in hundreds place, it's 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 means 6. And in thousands place, it's 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2, we will get 8. So, our sum is 8698. So, we have added two numbers, and these numbers are called the addends. And here the addends are 6231 and 2467. And we got the answer, and the answer of addition is called the sum. And it is 8698 here. Okay, now let's move on to another question, and here the numbers given are 2537 and 1424, and let's do our addition. Okay, so here always we are starting the addition from the ones place, and here in ones place we have 7 and 4. So first adding 7 plus 4, what we will get? We will get 11. Isn't it? 7 plus 4 is 11. But 11 is a two-digit number, and what we have to do? But only here we can write only one digit. So 11 it is. So here it's 11, and for 11 it is 1, 10 and 1, 1. Right. So here we can write only one digit. So the digit in ones place, that is this 1 we are writing here, and the digit in tens place, here it is 1. So this 1 will be carried to the next place, that is to the tens place, and we are carrying this 1 to the next place. Okay. So when we are doing the addition in ones place, we will get 11, and in 11 it is 1, 10 and 1, 1 is there. In tens place it's 1, and in ones place it's 1. So we are writing the 1 which is in ones place here, and the 1 in tens place is carried to the tens place. Okay. So now next we have to add the numbers in tens place. So here in tens place it's 1, 3 and 2. So 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then 4 plus 2 gives 6. So we can write 6 here. Okay. So next in hundreds place, it's 5 and 4. So 5 plus 4 gives 9. So we are writing 9 here. And in thousands place, we get 2 plus 1. What is 2 plus 1? It's 3. So 3, we will get 3. So our final answer is 3961. Okay. Next, we have to add two numbers. Okay, so on addition, let's look what we'll get. So, moving on to the ones place, it's 4 and 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. So, after adding 4 and 6, we will get 10, and it has 1, 10 and 0 ones is there. 1, 10 plus 0 ones. So, what we have to do? We have to write the digit in ones place here. So, we will write 0 here, and 1 is carried to the next place. Okay, so 1 is carried to the tens place. So, now moving on to the tens place. In tens place, we have 1, 5 and 7. So, 1 plus 5, what we will get? 1 plus 5 is 6. Then 6 plus 7, we will get 13. We will get 13. 1, 3, 13. So, here also there is a two-digit number, but only we can write only one digit here. So what we have to do? We have to write 3 here and the 1 is carried to the next place. Okay, so we wrote 3 here and 1 carried to the hundreds place. So in hundreds place, we have 1 plus 7 and again a 1 is there. So 1 plus 7 is 8 and 8 plus 1 we will get 9. Okay, and in thousands place it's 3 plus 2. Adding 3 plus 2 we will get 5. So we got the final answer as 5930. Okay. So today in this class we studied the operation addition of 4-digit numbers. Okay. So till then we meet for the next time. Be safe at home.